Hey guys, Taylor here with Fat Dog Productions. Today we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the TP-Link Deco M5 mesh routers. We got this to hopefully kill the dead spots with the house. We have a couple areas that the signal drops down to about 1 bar on our current router. So hopefully this will be able to make it seamless throughout the entire house, as well as give us better speeds. So first thing we want to do is let's go ahead and jump in and take a look at what comes in the box when you buy it. All right, guys, so we've got the box here. Just got it open out of my shipment. The box actually looks pretty okay. Nothing super fancy. Some nice graphics on there. Good explanation of everything that is about the unit. Good overview. Yeah, not a whole lot to the box itself. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we can do here. Take a look at the units on the inside. Kind of excited to see what these look like and how they work. Haven't heard a whole lot about them yet, so this will be the first for me to be able to play with them. So inside is another box. Gotta love a box in a box. And sorry about that. And so what we're gonna do now is take a look at it. And yeah, so pretty simple. I got the 3 units here. All of them look to be the same. Nice little graphic here that's going to tell us about the lights and what the status are. And over here it looks like we have the QR code to download the app. The unit itself, it's not bad. It feels slick. It has a nice little plastic casing on it. Looks like got some heat vents on the bottom. I'm not a big fan of that. Maybe this might get a little warm since heat rises and no way for it to escape. We'll have to see about that. On the back side, got 2 network ports. We'll have to check that out, and 1 power cord. And yeah, so that's about it. Not a whole lot to it. It's very, very smooth and feels good in the hand. And it looks like yeah, they're pretty simple. So let's go ahead and pop out the other 2, since it looks like all 3 of them are completely identical, and see what else comes with this. So let's just take this off. Yep, nothing there. And yeah, looks like pretty simple. Your typical paperwork. What guy reads paperwork? So let's just throw it over there. We can forget about that. And we've got, looks like just your power boxes. Everything's labeled very well. So 3 units, 3 power boxes. Boxes, just a plain gray box, not a whole lot to it. And should be the power supply on the inside, which it is. The supply itself isn't a bad quality, nice plastic, and you have all your information printed on the inside if you ever have any questions. Cable's nice and thick, doesn't feel like it would fray or split, and a good little end. So overall, so far the quality of everything is pretty decent. And right up here looks like we have a single Cat 5 cable. It's an okay quality. It's nice and thin. Terminations look okay. Pins look okay. I'm probably gonna swap this out and utilize one of my own cables. That's a little higher quality. Rather be safe than sorry. And yeah, so that's everything. Not a whole lot to it. Very simple, basic, and there's more than enough to go around to hopefully cover my home. These 3 units should cover up to about 5,000 square feet. Check back later for the sit-up video, and thank you for watching.